Welcome to Wild Ostedding's orchard. Here's a rundown of all the plants row by row. G'day all, welcome back to Wild Ostedding. Today I thought I'd give you a quick browse over our orchard. Mrs. Wild has been working hard on it. It's been in for, it started about a year ago. Well over a year ago actually. It's been through a pretty wild wet season, a dang hot summer, very dry season, and some severe frost. But here we are, this is what survived. I ain't no botanist, but what I will do is where I can, I will name the plant. Thankfully, with my expertise, I'll be able to read some labels and tell you. I'm going to go row by row. Right now, let's start at row, we'll call this row 1. So here we have this little fella, which the label's not good. It's a pear. Florida home, pear. There you go. This stick is a pecan. Ooh, little buds on it, so maybe it's coming back. This is a royal reindeer cherry. Not doing too good at the moment. Here we have a nectarine. Now these 3 pots will be planted into holes that are pre-done. Just waiting for the weather to be favourable. Here we have green treed plant, mulch and compost. Here we have Mr. One Leaf Wonder. Hey, if you know what they are, feel free to jump in. If you really want to know, ask the question in the comments and I'll chat with Mrs. Wild and find out for you. If you know what it is, throw it down in the comment. Still in row 1, we have these bits of greenery. Yeah. And then this fella who looked like it was going to die, but look at that. Little buds everywhere. Woohoo. That's some sort of a berry, I'd say. No idea, but some sort. Pineapple. Not doing too good. Hasn't got enough water. Definitely nowhere near enough water, I think. But the frost was pretty harsh, so I'd say it was the frost that whacked them. Mulberry, with mulberries on them. I've already plucked off some of the ripe ones. I've got about a dozen between the several mulberry plants we have. Some things, some yellow flowering things, and on and on. Row 2. More suffering pineapple from the frost, I'd say. And that terracotta is Oya. Take the lid off, pour your water in there, the hole's been plugged up, and it will trickle feed. That's to be done before I leave. A long suffering plant. If my intelligence serves me correctly, that's an avocado. Oh, what do we got here? It'll tell us. Here we go. Avocado. Oh, Hass avocado. And this. Mrs. Wild did tell me, but I can't remember. It's got a bit of a flower on it. How cute. And look, Guinea Fowl have come to say hello. Hey, chook, 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 chook. Hey, Heath and Ledger. Another avocado tree. This is row 3. Another avocado tree. This one got smashed pretty hard. I may have had a role in its struggle. We won't go into that. Oh, If there's a tag, we can tell. Rosemary. Another mulberry. Mulberry. Look at them. Yeehaw. Our first fruits in the orchard. You got to be thankful. Small mercies. Look at this. But in the end, well, we're now halfway through the orchard, and as you see, we've still had a lot of survivors, fighters. It's been great. Whoop, almost tripped. I'll send you a postcard next time. Now, just looking at this plant, I would guess it's a honeydew. Correct. A citrusy thing. This is row 4, or citrus. So we have lemons, limes, and something else. You're doing well. This is a void from where there was a failed plant. So it's being raised up and improved. What do we got here? Lemon verbena, whatever it is. This thing copped it during the frost, but look at that. Coming back to life. Yeah. Here we go. These were one of the first. Just give you an idea. That avocado tree, this stone fruit, and this stone fruit. They were the first. I think one over there as well. But these were the first. And this is fruit salad tree. And the label says white peach and blood plum. Yum. And flowering so well for the second time. This one, apple. It is apple. And there's two types of apple. Good for the tropics apples. So tropical sweet or tropic sweet, Anna, and golden Dorset. We've got a triple, 3 of them. That'll be a wow factor. Okay, row 5. I believe this is the apple tree I almost killed. Won't go into that one either. Let's just move on. It's still alive, thank goodness. Some sort of stone fruit, plum, I think. Yep. Another death from the adverse conditions, improving the soil, lifting the ground. There's where I'm burning some stumps, so the rows will be nice and clear. Then we can level it off. Again, more tree deaths from extreme weather. This is, I'm not even going to look at the label. I should know. They turn into a biscuit. Arrowroot, that's the one. Never seen arrowroots on a arrowroot plant, but anyway, I'd say arrowroot is the root. More citrus, flowering, lovely. Looks like there's some successful fruits. Look at that, beautiful. Our bees will be having a ball. They're doing really well, by the way, the bees. Having a rip snorter. Look at this thing. Again, row 5, done. Up to the last row now. Here we go. This is exciting, I know, isn't it? Oh, this is great stuff. I ain't no Don Burke. Dwarf orange. Sweet. Frostbitten, but fighting back. Another one. This would say it's plum. Gulf Blaze plum. Doing all right. Oh, I know this one. I grew up these things. Neighbour had one. And most of the nuts ended up in our yard. The macadamia. Woohoo. Banana, dwarf banana, I believe. Really got smacked hard by the frost. But look at that. Even at the top, trying to shoot again. And this wonderful piece of dryness, going by the label, is a papaya. Papaya sunrise solo. I think that's actually in here somewhere, dead, gone. That's not a papaya. Oh, there it is. That will be the papaya. Look at that. And it's trying to fight back. Hey. This one, even. Look at that down the bottom. Little sprouts coming out. Good, good, good. And here we have, if my expertise at reading labels is correct, this is a black adder Pluto plum. Black adder. Some fun to be had there. Look, little flowers, little buds. Oh, good, good, good. And lucky last in row 6 is a peachcot. Peachcot. Rightio, so there you go, people. There is our orchard. Look at those guinea fowls. Plucking away, getting the bugs. Better not be eating my mulberries. It's picking something. I hope it's not the mulberries. Probably bugs, insects. Doing their job anyway. I hope you enjoyed this brief, low IQ run through our orchard. If you've got any questions, again, ask below. Like, subscribe if you'd like to see how it progresses, how things come along. This was literally one of the first things we started doing on the block once we got the ground cleared and the grass mowed back, was get this orchard blasting, because yeah, everyone needs food. Greater than 30 trees at the moment, should be close to 40 by the time it's done. We are really hoping that we'll have not only enough for us, but enough to share around in this little community we have. Rightio. I will catch you all next time here at Wild Ozsteading.